So let's talk about the disadvantages of a long landing page. Again, I want to go over what a landing page is. It is the first page that you'll see when you visit a site from any hyperlink that you've clicked on the internet. So if you have a website, if you're sending people to a specific page, whether it's the home page, whether it is a page selling a specific product or service, this is a landing page that people land on, they drop in on, and see the information about your products and services. Now, the disadvantages of a long landing page is, first of all, distractions. There's a lot out there. When you have a long website that has lots of information on it, it can be very distracting. It can be very overwhelming for a visitor or a guest, and it might be hard for them to find the best place to get the information that they need. If you are creating a landing page that is long, you want to make sure that you are setting it up for conversions. You want to make sure that you are able to close leads for people to click on book now, request a quote. So be strategic if you're having a long landing page. Definitely use information that is pertinent to your visitors, that actually makes them want to convert and give you their information, and in the long term, the sell. The other thing is it can provide fewer leads. If your website is too distracting, it's going to create a lack of conversions or a lack of sales. So you want to make sure that you have a web page that is interesting and engaging, and even if it is longer, you want to make sure that it's strategic in the way that it presents its content, so you can get better conversions, better sales, and overall better revenue. Stay tuned for next video, and I'll give more information about the importance of shorter landing pages and the advantages of that. Thanks.